Good morning, students. Welcome to the second class, that is second session of construction of quadrilaterals. In the last class, we have seen how to construct a quadrilateral when four sides and one diagonal are given. Now, in this session, we learn how to draw a quadrilateral, that means how to construct a quadrilateral when three sides and two diagonals are given. Three sides and two diagonals. So once again I am reminding you, so in the starting I said that to construct any quadrilateral we require 5 measurements. So here three sides, two diagonals, overall 5 measurements. So with these 5 measurements we have to go ahead. In your textbook, page number 190, we have an example problem based upon this one. He asked us to construct an ABCD quadrilateral where AB is equals to 2.4 centimeters, BC is equals to 3.7 centimeters, AD is equals to 3 centimeters. AB, BC, AD. So we have to consider them as three sides. Okay, that thing we will declare or decide after drawing the rough diagram. As of now, these three are the measurements. Two more measurements are also given. AC is equals to 3.5 centimeters, and finally he has given BD is equals to 4 centimeters. Okay, so this is the question asked. So we have to construct an ABCD quadrilateral with the help of these 5 measurements. So before going to the solution, that means construction, so in the solution part you have to repeat these given data, whatever AB, BC, AD, AC and BD values are given in the question. You have to repeat. Okay, you have to repeat 2.4 centimeters, 3.7 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, 4 centimeters. After this you have to draw the rough sketch or rough diagram. Okay, so ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD and two diagonals are given. We have to show them in the rough diagram, and you can label the measurements. AD and AC 3.5 and this is a BD 4 centimeters. That's it. That is rough sketch. When you come to the actual construction, so what we have to do? First we have to draw the AB line segment. AB line segment we have to draw. So this is AB line segment. How much? 2.4. So 2.4 in the sense, you can see this is a This is the starting line, starting point, and this is 2.4. So you have to join these two. Okay, so this is A, B. So what cross lead came. So after this AB, we have to draw. After AB, what is given? BC also. We can go towards BC, or we can go for AD also, or you can go for BD also. So what we will do, we will construct first a ABD triangle, as we have AB line segment, AD line segment, and BD line segment. So AD here, ABCD, like this it will come. So we'll go for AD and BD, so that we can finish up the triangle part. So let us take the measurement of AD. How much is AD there? Yes, 3 centimeters. You can take the 3 centimeter scale. You can observe. So this is the starting line of 3. So that you can take it as a measurement. This is 3 centimeters. AD is nothing but 3 centimeters. You can draw an arc like this. And BD, we have 4 centimeters. See 4 centimeters here. You can see 4 centimeters. This is the 4 centimeters line. You can remove the scale, and as it is having the boundaries of 0 and 4, that is 4 centimeters. From point B, you can draw one more arc. Now you have to join these two line segments. Which one? This point and this one. So I have joined A, B, and this point would be D. Now we need to get one more point C here. How to get that one? BC line segment and AC line segment. BC and AC. How much BC? 3.7. So you can take the scale of 3.7 on the compass. 3.7 in this. This is 3.7 line, and this is a starting line. So you can take the measurement of exactly 3.7, and you can draw one arc from here. Okay, next we have AC line segment. How much? AC line segment, how much it would be? 3.5. So 3.5 in the sense 3.5. That means I have to extend this particular line segment, that means arc. So it will touch at this particular location. So join these 2 points. So I have joined with the help of scale these joining points, and I have to join this particular AC line segment also. Now see here, we have constructed ABCD. Now you may got a doubt that, so whatever the rough sketch I have drawn, it is not similar. Yes, it will never be same. Rough sketch is rough sketch because you did not taken any measurement over there, only for the understanding purpose, which are the line segments and which are the diagonals, or where the angles should be taken. That means angles we still did not handle that one. In forthcoming problems you will have that angles also. So only to decide where we have to take the angles, where we have to take the diagonal sides, we have to draw a rough sketch. So but actual construction will be different. So after construction is over, label the diagram. Label in the sense AB is 2.4, BC 3.7, AD 3 centimeters, and DC it is not given, CD just we have joined in order to complete the quadrilateral. This BD line segment we know 4 centimeters and AC 3.5. So like this we can label the diagram. After this construction is over, you have to write the steps. So last time already I told you how to write the steps. Steps nothing but generally whatever you do, you have to represent in your words on the paper. So first what I did here, I have constructed ABD triangle with the help of AB is equals to 2.4, BD is equals to 4 and AD is equals to 3, like this. So if you want, you can check the previous problem that I have taught you in the last class. So you have to follow the same type of steps in doing the construction. Okay, so once again, this is a second model construction of quadrilateral, 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So we have to write the given data, rough sketch, construction. After this, steps, how you have constructed the steps. Okay,